back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post.
Thank you. Today's video is a continuation of the insects video, and it's an enrichment done by people who commented on the insects video. Thank you so much. I would like to appreciate the following. There's someone who's calling himself or herself Kenyan 1546. There's someone calling herself Atieno, and there is Penina Award. Thank you so much for giving us content that would enrich the insects video. If you've not watched the insects video yet, as usual, I will say it is this way and Nikki will say it is this way, but we'll post it one of these places here. Yes, we'll post it here just so that you can be able to see what we are talking about. So we have 10 more insects that we found that we shall be telling you about. Let's go. So insect number 1, you have to carry that, the screen. How would you say that?
Agoro.
Agoro, correct. This is called agoro. Agoro is an edible flying ant, and in my community we used to eat it when it's raining. During the rainy season, it comes off the ant house, ant hill, and then you could eat it. So it's called agoro. Number 2. Otitmach, correct. That's a firefly. Otitmach, in my community, we could see it at night. We could catch them at night. I think it's a chemical that makes the belly have some light that does like that. So check it out there. If you're in a place where there's otitmach, that is.
Otudu.
Oh, yes. Otudu. Otudu. Now, otudu is a carpenter bee, and what it does is it makes holes on timber. So there's a bee, the bee that makes holes on timber. That's called otudu. Kudni. Yes, kudni is maggots. Those are found on rotten food, rotten whatever. Anything rotten when it's starting to rot. Like when a carcass dies, when a dog dies by the road, you'll see kudni on it.
Oh,
the maggots.
Yeah.
Yes, those are called kudni. Keech, honeybee. Keech, that's easy to remember. Keech, and we'll do another video of words that are similar spelling but different meaning. There is also keech. It's called keech. Keech is a kid whose parents have died. It's called keech. But keech is honeybee. Next. Quickly.
Oyuech.
Because oyuech is different thing. Oyuech. Say oyuech. So oyuech are bird mites. Oyuech is found when your chicken wants to, the 21 days it wants to incubate on the eggs. The thing that makes it start itching and leaving the eggs, that mite, we call it oyuech. It usually transfers to the person, I think. If you have chicken and sometimes they might come to you and you start gonyorering.
Ofunyu.
Ofunyu.
Ofonyo.
Yeah, ofonyo is a beetle, is a type of beetle. Beetle larvae. Beetle larvae. Lava. So it's found, usually it's found on trees, I think, on some parts of the tree. It's a larva that turns into a beetle. Kikun are fleas. Kikun.
Minbiye.
You see, this is B-ye.
B-ye.
Yes, minbiye.
Minbiye.
So minbiye is a queen bee. You know queen bee?
Luo Language.
Yeah, this, I think we had this in the other video, but oyala is the female termites. Do we eat them? Yeah, we do. We eat them. We eat them in my, yeah, we just roast them and eat. And the last one?
Kulundeng.
Say kulundeng.
Not
ndeng.
Kulundeng.
Yes. Kulundeng is a beetle, and there are of 3 types. There is one called Adum Iro. There is another one called Nyamarienga. And there's another one called Onyet. Now, Nyamarienga and Onyet are very poisonous types of kulundeng. Okay? So don't get bitten by them. Finally, I want to clarify something. Someone asked whether Oyuo and Ombemo are the same things. And there are 2. Oyuo turns into a butterfly. Ombemo turns into a moth. But they are all in the same family. So that's the clarification we wanted to say. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, turn on your click the like button, give it a thumbs up, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Spread the word that we're doing this. Now this is our 71st video, and we have 635 subscribers as of now, and we really appreciate you for being here with us, for sticking with us. From me, Kwe. Oriti. Niti, finish up.
You already did the outro.
Oh, that's the outro?
Yes.
Okay, so just say Oriti then.
Oriti, goodbye.